Is that a selfie spot or what? Yeah. Hi, Spirit Guides. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Evolve Travel. And we just had to come back and stop at this waterfall. There you go. I'll stand another way so you can see it. You know what? Pause. Let's get closer. Okay. Liking this so much more. Honestly, that the sun is down and we can see everything in a totally different light. Yeah. We had to come back here and fill up our water bottles. Honestly, I had a drink from this mysterious, magical, mystical waterfall. And let me tell you, the taste of this water, you guys, is like angels. Like, oh my God, like the most thirst quenching, like the best beauty treatment ever. Like, it really is kind of scaring me what they're doing to our water. Even if it tastes good, even if you put it through a filter, it does not taste like this. I'm concerned, but let's just enjoy the beauty right now. It has been almost a week in Iceland. Oh, I didn't get this close last time. Oh my God. Okay, enough about me. Nature, over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh, I was in the way of your picture. Just tell me to move. What? Okay, it's snow and water. Oh my God. Oh, look over there. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm going to set you guys down here and oh my God. Yeah. This is I'm at a loss for words. This is so insane. Okay, I'm gonna be very careful where I'm stepping because it's starting to get icy and bubbly. I won't go further than that little ice puddle. Oh my God. Okay, I don't even know what to look at for. Hang on. You're dirty. I don't even know what to look at first. Do I go to the icicles over here? Do I go to the more picturesque side over here? Like, I think they shot Game of Thrones in Iceland. Why are we facing that way? Come on. Jesus. Oh my God, this is insane. So, I guess we've been here for about 4 days now, and the beauty is just astounding. Like, I feel so renewed. I've never felt like this on a trip. Like, yeah, renewed is the best word if I had to describe it in one word. Iceland is soul renewing. Wow. Okay, let's explore a little bit while we still got some light. Okay, I'm gonna start being smart and not risk it all for the shot. We need to stop encouraging that. We really do. People die for the selfie. You know what I mean? Like, just please be careful. Oh, jeez. We'll see how friend is doing getting some water. I tried to just pick a rock up so I could bring it home, and oh, there's a tiny one, but it's frozen into the ice. And it just all kind of flows back down, 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 back into the earth.
If you want.
Let's do it. Let's do it. We're here. Let's do it. We didn't do it the first time, so it's okay. Don't worry. Apparently, my glass water bottle broke because it was so cold. It's so cold, you guys. Like, we're fine, but the water, whew. Try doing an ice bath in that. I want to, but we're not trained for that yet. Can I please have a taste though? I gotta taste it again. Oh my god, you guys. This, it tastes like angels. Like, oh my god. Like, okay, wait. Check. We've been saving our water bottles to come back here. You got, I'm not kidding. I want to bring some of this in my suitcase. Like, I'm not even kidding. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bless the stair water. Oh my god. Yep, we're going up there. This is really high up. I'm not liking this one bit. Please like and comment below if you thought this video was rad. No, stop making me do stuff, YouTube. Okay, let's check out the waterfall. What the? Now you want me to walk on a? For real? For real? For real? Okay, sure. I'll just go off the side of a cliff today. Why not? Them views, right? Okay, let's see what where's the money shot? Oop. Okay. Oh my good lord. Just don't look down. Don't look down for a moment. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh. I don't like it. I like it. I like the view. Oop. Okay, I'm disoriented. There we go. Oh, jeez. Okay. Cool beans. Frozen waterfall from high up. There you go. There's nothing over there, is there? Straight up, this just makes me want to fly. So, yeah, from the top of a tundra, I guess. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye, guys.